Hi guys, today I'm discussing very important topic about the YouTube channel join button option. So everyone in YouTube channel they're showing for join button option. Like what is the join button purpose? What is the join button purpose? So that mean by when click for join button they give the silver, gold and particular plan they can give to the in a particular option. What is the purpose to the particular plan you have to purchase to talk with the give the membership plan. So how we can enable this join button option to your particular YouTuber channels? So now I'm activate my channel for Digital Rakesh. So this will be paid one, not for the free one. So that is main purpose here. Anyone click for join, the payment will be joined to the in a particular member to interact with the created guide. So this amount they will be creating purpose along with the tax they will charge for in this option. So how we can creating for join button on the particular YouTube channel. So what are the eligibility? The major eligibility here in this compulsory the channel will be eligibility for must more than 5,000 subscriber. Gaming channel must have more than 1,000 subscribers. These two subscribers we need to enable by the here minimum eligibility for join button option. Where you can check on how we can enable this option, how to add your particular YouTube channel. Now we can go to option, click for manage video. In this manage video, we have the option is called monetization. In the monetization, the option will be called membership here. Fans can become a member of your channel, paying a monthly fees in return of special perk that you are offered. So you can go to membership. In the membership option, join other successful creators who earn extra income from membership. Here, get inspired by the other creator. Here, your members come first. So in this one, we can start it. Explore next step. Here, will be in your particular option will be here. So what option will be turn on, not finish for 100%. Here, set up your membership here. First, we can start the complete step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total 4 step we have to use in the particular option in this. First, we can start here in this membership low level 29 to 119, medium level 159 to 1199. Next will be high level 1599 to 7999. So in this level how we can activate, and here these are the particular options are there, a particular options. When you click for next, first of all basic level, select the price. In this which price we can have to go for it, can go for 799. Here will be select behind the screen videos, early access to new videos, and shout out the videos, wrong cut and bloopers, unreal footage, a photo and everything will be here. Connecting on social media, gameplay with you, this kind of manner. In this, members only for live streaming, all options are there. In this, we can give by all options are. So these all features will be given this in this option. So which one we can go for it? We can go the best option. In this, I'm give the behind the screen video here, or we can selecting for any option here. So you can be writing for digital marketing, questions. We'll share. through community tab. Their option. So create own park in this. Not interested. So it will be only for here. This option will be added here. So yeah, learn this market and YouTube training. Ask any question and video with live interaction, live class and record video plus documentation. So yeah, or the package I'm creating for 799, I'm creating for this one. After creating this one, we can change for particular price also. Submit review. Just I'm clicking in this option. If you're not interested, close it. Delete level. Delete level. Any level required, you can go for in this option. In this, Moja was created. Ask any question and videos with the live streaming, live class, record video plus documentation. I enable it and click for submit. Level 1 done, 70% done. Start. We can add your badges and emojis. Badges will be automatically selected for the based on new member after 1 month, after 2 months, after 6 months, after 12 months, after 24 months. They are the badges. Emojis. If you preview the emojis, these options are there. So right now I'm creating emojis will be last. So I'll show you emojis, how we can show for you two emojis. Here I'm showing for one photo here. These are all kind of emojis. Anyone people will be searching here. Anything we can use for the particular emojis option here. So right now I'm not using for emojis. Only if I'm using for badges. New member after 1 month, after 2 months, after 6 months, after 12 months, after 24 months. Next. Here. Not required. Click for save. They can't asking for an option. After the finish for 42%. Next one. Here announcement your membership. Get start. Upload unlisted video. Select any one video option here. In this, you can select the video will be in your particular option in this. So yeah. So in this, I'm clicking for done. Right now, I'm not adding for another video. So this will be finished. If you want all adding the video will be unlisted mode, or we can go to right will be click for done option. Any video announce your membership by using unlisted mode. Post to welcome for new member. Start it. Create a community post. Live interaction. Done. Post is clear. After click for done here. The final statement will be everything is done. So click for 92% in review. Done and done. and done. So once the review will be finished, they're starting for your complete level. After that, it is enabled by turn on option. So you have to wait for up to turn on option. After click for turn on button, the button will be visible to the customers to click for join button. So this is a method will be follows any YouTubers when you get by 5,000 subscribers, and gaming channel will be need for 1,000 subscribers. Your channel is not set as a made in for kids. So location and music line. So everything will be compulsory important. We have to check and eligibility for a particular channel membership and policy guidelines are compulsory important. These guidelines I'll give the our video description part and update it and use the particular option. So this is a method we have to activate join button on your particular channel. So once the review will be finished, the button will be show for turn on. After that, the join button enabled by your particular YouTube channel button to show to your customers. So this is a method we have to use to enable by YouTube channel join membership. It's not for free, it's only for paid one. If anyone need to free, you can go to will be option will be there. So it will be minimum you can charge us for 29 rupees is a basic amount. So these are follow instructions and enable your YouTube channel join button when you get for after 5,000 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If anybody any doubts are here in the join button, please contact. I definitely will be help on a particular your YouTube channel.